Welcome you in English class, dear students. Today I shall teach you figure of speech. Although you know very well about figure of speech, but I explain first of all simile. Alliteration. What is alliteration, dear students? What is alliteration? Repetition of the same constant sound at the beginning of two or more words is called to alliteration. Understand? Once again, listen carefully. Repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of two or more words. For example, fair is foul and foul is fair. Example is fair is foul and foul is fair. Second, full fathom 5 any father lies. You can see F letter is again and again repeat in this example. So that is called alliteration of this example. Anadiplosis. Second figure of speech is anadiplosis. What is anadiplosis? The repetitions of the last words of a line. Listen, the repetition of the last words of a line or a sentence at the beginning of next. Now, see, full attention. The oftener seen, the more I lust. The more I lust, the more I smart. The more I smart, the more I trust. The more I trust, the heavier heart. The heavy heart breeds mind unrest. The absence, therefore, I like best. This is the best example. Repetition of the last words. Lust, trust, unrest, best. And the first word of this next. The more, the more, the more. That is called anadiplosis. Okay. Now, anagram. Next, anagram. What is anagram? A rearrangement of letters in a word so as to produce another word. Try to understand. A rearrangement of letters in a word so as to produce another word. Usually, we see in puzzles and non-serious verses. You can see George Herbert has used it serious verses a number of times. Now I am giving you an example. You could easily understand. How well her name and army doth present. Listen, how well her name and army, A-R-M-Y, doth present. Okay. In whom the Lord of Horse and did pitch his tent. So, in this example, the word army in this extract is an anagram of. Why anagram? Because the words of army, each letter we can take and make another word. Another word, Mary. Army, rearrangement of the letters, then a new words we can structure Mary. Okay. So dear students, I think you have properly understood figure of speech, alliteration, anadroplosis and anagram. Okay. Tomorrow further I shall teach you the figure of speech. Goodbye students.